opportunity given the 6th day of June 2025 during Tagawad Sikhay 2025 Parangal sa Natatanging Guro at Kawani Awards and Recognition held in Rancho Luisito, Montalban, Rizal. Signed by yours truly, Maria Jennifer C. Vive. So our outstanding teacher, grade 1, is no other than
sound na lang.
Hello po. So this award will be given to Ma'am Christina D. Calma. Congratulations. Okay. Nalaman na po natin for grade 1 kasi yung outstanding teacher. And now let's move on to the grade 2. Okay. For the grade 2 outstanding teacher goes to... Okay, congratulations, Ma'am Resi Tuason! Wow, well deserved. Our new GM for grade 2. Congratulations. Okay. So for the grade 1, si Ma'am Christina Calma, and for the grade 2, si Ma'am Resi Tuason. Who will it be for the grade 3 teachers? Tantararan! Okay. For the grade 3 teachers, the most outstanding teacher goes to Ma'am Marisa Amancio! Wow! Ay, huwag mo sabihin na bias ha, kasi kayo pumili nito. You voted for them. So, deserve naman talaga nila. So, Ma'am Amancio, wow, congratulations! Okay. For the grade 4, grade 6 teachers, top bacteria. So, bale, may pupils choice or may points po yung binigay yung mga estudyante nila. So, for the grade 4 teacher, the most outstanding goes to Sir John Mark Tibres! Wow! Wow, sir, congratulations! Wow, sir, congratulations! Okay, for the grade 5 teachers, who will it be? Okay, for the grade 5 teachers, unfortunately, wala po siya dito ngayon. Okay, well-deserved promotion and well-deserved award. So the most outstanding teacher award for grade 5 goes to Sir Johnny Junray Lumabaw. Wala siya dito. Oh, okay, doon na lang po. Okay. And moving on, for the grade 6 teachers, sino kaya? Ipresent ko yun sila mamaya, Mirana. Wow, hindi naman pala kayo prepared. none other than the most beautiful Sir Stalin Aguilar. Okay, may special request daw para patunayan po, sasayaw daw po habang kinukuha yung award. Okay, wow, yan. Talented talaga yung Sir Stalin. Okay, congratulations, sir.
Okay, one more.
Okay, congratulations to all the winners.
Of course, we shall also recognize yung ating outstanding teacher na nag-receive ng award sa Inares. Iba, kundi ang ating birthday celebrator, Ma'am Joy Cuatro.
Wow, congratulations.
Ang dami mo lang kinita. Sasayaw na yan. Sasayaw na yan. Ikaw pa. Dami mo lang award. May ano?
Okay, one more.
Promote na.
Mamaya na.
Promote na yan.
Okay. Hello,
This award
Hello.
so may special award po na ibibigay si Mac. This award
Entitled Extra Mile Award.
so
The Extra Mile Awardee. Okay. Okay, this award reads in grateful recognition and appreciation for the untiring effort, positive attitude, dedication, and commitment in the accomplishment of the assigned task. Okay, ito po yung nilalaman ng certificate. So talagang nagtrabaho siya beyond her time, kumbaga binigay niya talaga yung skills and best niya po. So,
Hello. Extra Mile Award kasi ang teacher po ito ay may inisyatibo. Yan, no? May inisyatibo. Saturday, nasa school. Yan, sino kaya yon? Tapos laging i-remind, laging magsasabi, Ma'am, nandito na po kami. Kasama ko ang mga magulang. Walang iba ang ating Extra Mile Award, Ma'am Sonia Balyon.
congratulations, ma'am.
may pa-cash prize pa.
Okay? Another po, special award. Ito naman ang most participative award. So sila po yung pagka meron tayong mga meetings, may mga activities sa schools, active sila. Our most participative award in grateful recognition and appreciation for actively participating in the school's event throughout the school year 2024-2025 is no other than anong grade? Grade 3!
Akit dito sa stage.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ready lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Okay, dumako naman po tayo sa ating non-teaching awardee. So, sila po talaga yung makikita natin na nagtrabaho, di ba? Nakita niyo naman, di ba, all throughout the year, malinis talaga yung school natin. Agree ba kayo? Hindi.
Ay, parang
Hindi kayo agree. So talaga nakikita nyo yung effort nila na sa paglilinis, tapos meron kayong 24/7 pa iyon. So pag may papasuyo kayo, parang wala kayong ibang, wala silang reklamo, tickets lang at saka opo. So mararapat lang naman po, nabigyan po natin ng award yung isang teaching po natin na nagpakasipag naman talaga. I totally agree for this one. So, this award reads, okay, in grateful recognition for her exemplary service, selfless effort, and commitment in the performance of her task as non-teaching personnel. So, yung ating awardee is none other than Ate Teen! Congratulations! Ang ganda ng blouse mo!
Here I am. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations!
Yan po, maraming salamat po. At inaanyayahan ko po muli yung ating mga awardees. Pwede po ba yung ating mga outstanding? Pwede po ba dito sa harap? One more picture po. Dito po sa harap. Yan. At sa pagpasok po ng ating taon na school year 2025-2026, alam ko po